welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing a part 2 of the 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. So last night I ended up getting the hub off, so right now I'm going to go ahead and put the new one on, and hold on, I'll be right back. Let me show you guys the old one. So here's the old one right here. This thing was beat up to death, and then we got the new one right here. Look at the difference, you guys. It's just so much nicer than this one. I just wanted to get a quick shout out to Motor by Motor real quick for getting this shipped out to us overnight really fast. Thank you so much, and you guys go ahead and make sure you guys check them out. Once again, we're going to time lapse it, so we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we ended up getting the wheelbase replaced. So right now we're going to go take it for a test drive, and then we are going to clean up for the night, and we all got it situated out. I just want to say thank you, Finish Line Factory, and also Motor by Motor. So if you guys please want to go check them out, that would be awesome, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Have a good night, you car junkies.